Did you know that certain dog breeds can make it difficult to buy home insurance? If not, there's probably other facts you don't know about insurance too. Today we're explaining the basics. For example, if you get into a car accident, imagine you're in this car, you were playing the moments leading up to the crash. How did you get here? After hearing about a party in the town next to yours, you and your three best friends decide to go and you leave your house to get into the car. Your group realizes it'd be best to eat first and pulls over to stop at your local burger joint to get some food. As you drive out of the parking lot and onto the highway, you reach for your hamburger, taking your eyes off the road for only a second. This causes you to nearly hit the guardrail, and your friend tells you to watch where you're going. You tell her you're sorry and ask if she can turn on her phone's GPS. The GPS tells you to take the next exit, but you accidentally miss it. In a panic, you grab the phone to see where you should get off of the highway. As you look at the GPS, your car begins swerving into another lane, almost hitting the car next to you, and your friend reminds you to keep your eyes on the road. You pull off of the highway and stop at a red light. You take out your phone and text your sister to let her know that you borrowed her shirt. You don't notice that the light has turned green until the car behind you honks. Your friend holds out her hand to take your phone away and you oblige. After handing over your phone, you pull onto the street where the party is, and your friend in the back tells you that the boy you like will be there. You excitedly turn around to look at her, and suddenly you hear a large bang and feel the airbag deploy. MassDrive asks you to avoid distracted driving.